Hello everyone. A sunscreen still lacks its place in many of our skincare routine due to several reasons. Being greasy, leaving a white cast, heavy on the skin, and yes, I'm not able to wear it underneath my makeup. All you need a sunscreen which has a matte finish, it's not greasy, non-oily, it should be sweat proof, and yes, one thing is very important, it should be made for all skin type. Let's discover not one but two of the sunscreens which would give you a UV protection without even you letting feel it on the skin. Vivoskin Science Matte Finish Sunscreen come in two variants, SPF35 and 55 PA++. A compact packaging with pump and dermatologically tested sunscreen, enriched with raspberry carrot seed extract, and it has avocado oil as well. All of these ingredients protect and repair our skin from sun damage. As you're aware, Vivoskin Science products are available on various websites, but do check out the Vivoskin Science app to get more app-specific offers as well as the availability of the product Vivoskin Science app itself. The link to the Vivoskin Science app would be in my description if you want to check out. And one more thing, if you notice, Vivoskin Science product has a QR scan code on all of their products which would determine the authenticity of the product. So whenever you end up scanning the QR code, you happen to get points which you can redeem on your next purchase while shopping through Vivoskin Science app. So yes, it is beneficial in many ways. So do check out the Vivoskin Science app, and again I would mention it is linked in my description. As I said earlier, sunscreen should be part of your skincare routine as well as your makeup routine. Vivoskin Science Matte Sunscreen allows your makeup to go really well onto your skin after going in with your SPF, be it 35 or 55. It will not leave your skin into a chalky skin. It is not going to give you a streaky finish. It allows your other products to spread evenly as well as your sunscreen spreads evenly. It doesn't clog your pores, and simultaneously it repairs your damaged skin and works as more of an anti-aging sunscreen. Vivoskin Science Matte Sunscreen is just not for your face, but your complete body. Protect your exposed body from all the harmful UV rays as well as pollution. That is all I had for today. Hope you get your sunscreen soon and protect yourself from all the harmful UV rays as well as the pollution around you. I will see you in my next one. Everything will be linked in my description. Consider subscribing. I will see you in my next one. Ta-da!